Hi, I'm Becca from Becca Joy Designs and Joyful Cosplay.
I'm Galvin of GC Leathercraft, and we are in the garage today.
Yep, all day in the garage, and we found to our utter dismay that it is a complete and total
Disaster area.
mess. Yeah.
We've both been working on a costume and a prop for a post-apocalyptic photo series by photographer Andy Bat. Really cool stuff on his Instagram and his webpage. It's called Bad Choices.
Amazing.
I'll probably put a picture somewhere up in the edit of the helmet of the costume.
Can't start on new projects until we actually have a clean working space to work in. But our next project is going to be pretty epic.
Yeah, so somebody bought tickets to a convention. What convention?
PAX West.
PAX West.
First time ever
And-
going to PAX West. Super excited. But we need some costumes for it. I was originally just going to go as Junko from Danganronpa. I debuted Junko last year.
But this year...
She's from a video game, so she fits into the world. It's all super easy. But then this year, a few weeks ago, this guy got pretty excited because he starts going through all the video games that he likes and he's enjoyed. And
I have a favorite. It's Ratchet and Clank. You can keep all your Call of Duties and everything. That Lombax and his buddy Robot, that's the best video game there is. So, luckily for me, she got excited about it. And I still think it'd be funny if you were Ratchet. Okay, but she's going as Angela Cross.
the Lady Lombax.
Lady Lombax from, what is it? Ratchet and
Going
Clank
Commando.
Going Commando.
Going Commando.
I love those guys. They're so cute.
I like the titles.
And I'll be Ratchet, and I will have probably a Clank. I want him to be kind of like a backpack in a way, so I can at least have a place to put my phone.
With a jetpack.
Yeah, I want to do the jetpack.
We'll make
version
him a
of Ratchet.
charging port, then we can charge our phones.
That's awesome. Anyway, but before we do that, we have to have a clean workspace, and this is certainly not it.
So this is going to be really entertaining.
Yep, and cue time lapse. Becca, it has been 12 hours of cleaning. 12 hours of cleaning. The place looks fantastic.
I like cleaning.
You like organizing.
The place looks awesome. But look, the table's clear. We have project space.
It's clear.
Good job, babe.
Oh, absolutely. That's the sign of a good workbench.
Yeah, we did a thing. We did a thing.
What's next, Becca?
Ratchet and Clank cosplay.
We're on it. You'll hear from us.
Disco hole.